Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a thumbnail on a YouTube Shorts video using your smartphone. Remember, this process cannot be done on a computer or laptop. You must use a smartphone. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. At the bottom, you will see a plus or plus sign icon to upload a video. Tap on it. Now, choose the video you want to upload. Once selected, tap Next. Before we continue, let me remind you something important. If you want to add a custom thumbnail to your Shorts video, you have to insert that thumbnail inside the video while editing. I already added my custom thumbnail at the end of my video, so now I'll just upload it. After tapping Next, you'll see several options. Here, look for the pencil icon on the thumbnail section. Tap on it. Now, scroll through your video and select the part you want to use as the thumbnail. I have my custom thumbnail at the end, so I'm selecting that. As you can see, the thumbnail is now set. Finally, tap the check mark on the top, fill in the necessary details, and upload your video. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.